The Curious Little Boy. Once upon a time, in a small village, there used to be a little boy whose name was Ayaansh. Ayaansh had a very curious mind. He loved asking questions and was always wanting to know more and more about the things around him. He used to keep asking questions in his classroom and to the people around him. He used to ask questions like, why is the sky blue? Why do the birds fly? Why does the moon change its shape? At first, his teacher and the people around him answered his questions patiently. But as his questions became more and more frequent and complex, the people started getting annoyed. They used to say, stop asking so many questions, Ayash, just focus on your studies. But Ayash did not stop. One day he found a broken windmill at the edge of the village. He got curious and asked everybody around him, how does the windmill work? But no one answered him. So he decided to find it out himself. He went to the library and started reading books about windmill. He read in detail and also observed the windmill carefully. He used to sit near the windmill for hours, dreaming of making it work again. After reading and observing, he used to draw sketches on the paper. Slowly, Ayaansh was able to find out how the windmill works and how it converts the wind into energy. Now, Ayaansh got excited and started to search for tools in order to repair the windmill. And then he carried the tools all the way to the windmill and started repairing it with his little hands. He worked hard and carefully repaired the windmill. And finally, the windmill started working again. Ayaansh was overjoyed. He started jumping and dancing. The village people were amazed to see that the windmill had started pumping water again, saving them hours and hours of hard work. How did you do it, Ayaansh? They asked. He said, I just kept asking questions and looking for answers. And every answer helps you to learn something new. His teacher patted his back and said, well done, Ayaansh. You have proven that education is not just about memorizing answers. It's about asking the right questions and seeking knowledge. Because of his curious nature, Ayaansh had now become the hero of his village. Ayaansh continued his thirst for knowledge and kept reading more and more and asking questions. The other kids in the village also got inspired by Ayaansh and they wanted to be like him. His parents were also extremely proud of him. The moral of the story is curiosity or the desire to learn is the true key to education and innovation.